Alright, here are some quick hairstyles that y'all can do while your hair is this curly, okay? We can do half up, half down. Very simple. Put your hair on top. If you can do a bun, you know, do a bun. It's all cool. Curly, lock, 2-strand twist out. This is like a little line to me that I got, but yeah, if your hair down, that's cool too. I mean, with the mohawk, it's a little funny because of the awkward lengths of the sides, but you know, you can make it work, you can rock it, do what you want to, you know, it's your hair. Let's see, do a ponytail. Very simple, very, you know, it's like the go-to if you're trying to do something and get the hair out of your face. It's what I do all the time at work, especially playing music all the time. I don't need my hair in my face when I'm trying to play the keyboard. Come on, man. We got Jesus on the mountain. We don't need locks in our face. So, you know, a ponytail. You can do a sweep to the side. Show off your little stairs that you got on the side with your fade if you're into that. Or nah. Or nah. If you don't want to do that. But you know, you can do this too. I mean, it's and people say locks aren't versatile. Psh, get out of here with that mess. Come on, bruh.